That was fast. I just got to here. This is the last stage to get what's it called? I don't know what's that thing called. Lil Nyandam cat. I got here quickly. Okay. Pretty sure he's red, so should be easy. Let's go. Pretty sure I can defeat this first try, so I have treasure radar, so I can just get the cat. Bun bun. Okay. Bun bun shouldn't be hard. Yep. Wow. Super Circle Echo's doing a lot of damage to that bun bun. No way she kills it. She does. Yeah, this was definitely beating this first try. No way I failed. Fail it. Fail what? Right? There's no way. You can't even deploy no more. Don't let him get hit. Wow. We killed that one quickly. That was fast. Anyways, we got little Nano Cat. Slows. I don't think I'll be using any of these. But that's great. What's the next one? 4 more to get Red Riding Mina. Clear a learn to love for a chance to get special unit. Okay. Probably get her today too, right? Special. Yeah, okay. A quantum blip transformed Nyandam into a toddler with a super old face. Creeps everyone out for real. Sometimes slows enemies. Okay. So this one knocks back. It's not doesn't knock back metal. This one slows metal. Okay. That's all I wanted to show. Just me defeating it. I can't believe it was that fast though. Really? We defeated that one that quickly? He only attacked like once, and then we just killed him. Well, that's it. I'll post another one when I get to Red Riding Mina.